Hi guys, it's Mary. I been away for a few days because, believe it or not, I am reorganizing my scrapbook room, and it is a process, as you probably know if you've had to redo yours. It's just gotten out of hand, and so I've had to bought some Totally Tiffany storage bags, and I'm hoping that will help. Just reorganized all my paper pads in Cincher Pearl, and I have so much, it's crazy. But as I've been organizing slowly, I did get some orders in from Craft Day on HSN, and I don't normally buy a lot of Anna Griffin. Some of her things are just a little bit too, I call foo-foo, for my taste. But I do like some of her things, and they do have an auto ship, a Slimline auto ship that I got through her. And then this last Craft Day, I saw these Slimline embossing folders, and they don't have any Slimline embossing folders. And I know I could turn the paper around and put it through twice, but come on, am I going to really do that? No. One, I'll probably mess it up. Two, I'm lazy. So the reviews on these were mixed, but I thought, well, I'd give it a try. I could always send it back. But I didn't have any problems with them. So I wanted to show you in case you've looked at them and been on the fence. They're pretty thick, and they're not really super ornate or anything. So I thought that they would be good to try. They're called just Slimline Embossing Folders. And there's 4 of them. There's a lace one, a kind of swirl one. And then I thought this was interesting because they actually took this one and cut around the edges to make it a little bit fancier. It's kind of nice that way. So here are the folders. I like that they go sideways. And some of the people were complaining because they said that it tore the paper. I'm not quite sure how that would happen. I just put in just cardstock, just plain old cardstock, and then I just cut the paper as it was in there. So it's not perfect, but I don't have any complaints. So this one is called Georgette Lace, and this is what it looks like. And I did run these through the Gemini MIDI because it will take the embossing folders, and I just put the embossing folder because it is a 3D by itself, and it turned out fine. So this is the one that they actually cut around the edge, which I thought is kind of pretty to do. So that was that one. And see, this is only because I just cut the paper while it was in the folder. So that's the Georgette Lace. And then this is the Camilla Lace. And this one actually looks more like lace. It's got little flowers, little hearts. I thought it was very pretty. It's not a great, like I said, color, but like I was just saying, I was just, playing around with it and clearly I didn't get it in all the way. But that's that one, and I think there's nothing wrong with it. Then this one is just a flourish. I don't know if you can see that. And that's this one here. I think if they'd be really nice too, inked, and then put through, or even use a gilding wax. You know, I don't think I'd ever use these particular colors for a background, but so that is the flourish. And then this one is really interesting. This is called Matelas, M-A-T-E-L-A-S-S-E. And I think it's really cool, and I think it's cool. It would be great for a card for a mail too. So, and that one looks like this. And it looks like little straps intertwined. But see, I think it turned out perfect. It's nice, nicely embossed. So I don't have any issues with them, so I will go on and rate them so that they do have one more positive review. These are the instructions if you're going to use the Empress, which I do not have. So anyway, I like them. I would recommend them if you're interested. I can't remember how much they were, but I think they were in the 20s. I don't remember, to be honest. So anyway, Anna Griffin Slimline Embossing Folders. I like them. So, and I think if she comes out with more, if you know they're kind of not too fussy, that I would get them. So anyway, that's just a short review. Wanted to show you what they look like. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time to subscribe. If you're a subscriber, if you haven't subscribed yet, if you are so inclined, that would be awesome. If you like the video, please hit the like button. It makes Facebook happy. So that's it. Until the next time, stay safe and well, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.